So I already did the plus sign for today. Now I'm going to start from this line, and slowly by slowly I will pull this one, kind of like a circular ellipse shape. So I erased the big circle and I made it a little bit smaller. Now this point I'm going to draw one ear, and this side too. And next to this line, tilted, I'm going to draw tilted curvy triangle over here. And a small tiny line. One side face this side and one side face this side. And I can draw two lines like this. Now one eyebrow here and one I can draw here. So this ear was a little bit bigger, so I made this one smaller than this one. Now before I draw, I always draw very light. So like here, if I don't know camera is catching this one or not, so I already did the shape over here. Let me do it one more time. And kind of long U I did here. Now I'm going to adjust this one. So I will curve here and then I will curve here, and this will go all the way here. And this one, I want this one to be tilted, ellipse shape over here. So I'm drawing this way, and from here it's going a little bit in, and from here it will go up here. And from here this will also go a little bit in, and then it's a little bit out. Over here, this one I will think like a smiley face. On the top of this one I will correct, so kind of like it has to be a smiley face. So I will go here, then I will turn this one, and I will turn here smiley too. So this is going to be like that. Now on the top I'm going to do some lines like this or bumps. So for the next step, again I did little bit idea. This much I'm going to draw the head, and this ear will be under this eye, and this one I will try to copy the same thing here. So let's make it little bit dark over here. So when I'm reaching here, I will make it a little bit cheek over here to look cute. And same thing I'm going to do this side. Do alphabet V style. And then we are going to erase everything from inside. Now I'm thinking this is the place I'm going to draw the nose. Let's do the tail over here. So first always try to draw light, and then you can make it dark if you like it. It's too much curvy. I want a little bit more straight. So again I'm going to correct the shape. I really like a little bit wider this area and less over here. I want this eye over here, another one here, and between these two I want triangle shape, curvy, one tiny line, and not going this way, coming straight kind of, or little bit tilted like that. And one smiley this side and one smiley this one. And from here to here we can draw a big smile over here, and on the top here we can make tiny dots. Same thing we can do over here. So we are going to draw two legs. I'm just going a little bit rough idea over here. So other one will be here, and hand has to go all the way here, like that, and then the tail will be here. So this is my basic idea. Now I'm going to work on this one. Now we can draw two eyebrows, cute ones over here, and from here and this one, 1, 2, 3. Now we can draw some flower and grass. So like flower I want here. So one alphabet U, and this one is going to be a little bit tilted. This one is going to be sideways, and on the bottom I can do simple style.